Alright, so here's the rotor. I think this is maybe a lower side. Movement isn't too bad. And then right there, it starts to stick. It's not too bad if I just kind of spin it like this, like it works. But it definitely seems like there's parts that stick more than others. The whole thing grinds. Yeah, the whole way around. So, and it's obviously got rust, but it's Wisconsin. Kind of zooming in a little bit closer there. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, and then this is that pad that kind of knocks up and down because it's just being kind of held in by these little like notches and nubs. So that's kind of an odd one. Never seen that before.